Gaining experience is something that is quite important in this tech career that you've chosen, right? One very important thing is you can gain experience from anywhere, be it from that internship, be it from that startup, or be it from that idea you're working with a bunch of friends or acquaintances or colleagues. You can gain experience from anywhere. In tech, there's a popular saying that no experience is wasted. You see that trouble you're facing installing those software or those solutions or those packets or nuggets that you're experiencing today would come in handy later on, maybe when you're mentoring people or where you're managing some other people on your team, be it your juniors or peers or colleagues. Nothing is a waste. No experience is a waste in tech. The thing is, you keep on learning, you keep on moving forward. Whenever you're faced with challenges, you see it as an opportunity to learn and try and understand what the problem is, and then you move on from there. The idea to it is that you always need to get something done in tech for you to be able to gain more experience. Aside from the technology challenges that you might face, or as the case might be, there are other issues that would be experienced whenever you're working within the tech space, be it people management, be it stakeholders management, be it managing the expectations of the business owners or the product owners or whoever it is that is responsible or who owns the product or the idea you're working on. You need to ensure that you try as much as possible to close all possible loops or ends from your own part. But however, there are lots of things you will need to learn, or things you will definitely learn as the time goes on. You can actually learn everything from day one, but with experience, with time, with experience, you will learn a lot and you'll be able to relate a lot with things when next you're jumping on another project to work on, or when next you're doing something, working in an organization or working on an initiative, and the case might be. I hope with this you have a proper mindset set out. Thank you very much.